Hello everyone, we are here to introduce you to a pharmacy shop application that we built. It will be very useful for shop owners who make their sales every day. This application is an all-in-one solution. It helps you sell shops to do their business on this application platform. And it's prepared by Bizu Data Solution. My name is Mehret. So what does it do? It will give you the opportunity to register your shop on the application. You can then make a sale, track sales, manage inventory, understand your business. Once registered, you will be approved. You can go to the link below when you are approved. Log in and enter items you sell, register stuff that makes the sales, stocks, suppliers, tax rates, etc. and other important data that you need, then start selling. That's easy. So when you first arrive on the website, you will be faced with this kind of page. So you are required to register if you want to work on this platform. And then you click register now, and then it will take you to this kind of page where you write all the necessary information, which is very important for you to follow up in the future. These are going to be used for your implementation of the project. And then once you register, in 1 or 2 days, you will be given the go-ahead, and then you start using this dashboard. So when you first arrive, you log in, and once you log in, you will get this dashboard. You click this information in the admin panel, and then you start the new sales, view past orders, view manage items, manage purchase orders, manage suppliers, view reports. So when you add items, you should be able to add your item group. What are you selling? What is the name of the item? And that's your pharmacy name. What amount of stock do you have? What unit price you are going to sell. You don't have to fill everything in one go. You can gradually, day by day, build your list of items, and that's how you go about it. And then you have to register your suppliers also in the platform, then place your purchase order, because when you make a purchase order, you ask a supplier to send you the items, and then this will be recorded, and then you know how much it costs you. Once you have it, when the supplier delivers, you have to also record it. And then it will give you all these opportunities once you have registered. Let me show you very briefly on how the application works. And then you reach here. So there are items that you have to fill your items. You have to tell what are you selling, what is the group, how many stocks do you have, and how much is the unit price, etc. And then you have to also go again and fill the group names, item group names. This is the pressure, painkiller, etc., etc. It's you know your items. And then you have to also give your stock lots. How much do you have this in stock? And you have to fill them one by one. Then it will give you the list of stock items you have. Then you have to have the suppliers. This is in any order that fits you. You have to register your suppliers, where they are, etc. Who is your contact person, all this. And then once you have the basic information, but you have to give the tax rates. What kind of tax rates do you use? VAT is 15%, for instance. Service charge, if you do have it, is like maybe 3%, 0%, 1%, 2%, I don't know. So those are the kinds of your business details, and those will be recorded. Once you have the main issues that are recorded, you make a sale, for instance. Then a customer had walked in, or if you know his name, you have to register him. Suppose he is John Doe, and then set the customer, and then you start type how many units you want to sell. And then once you've done it, all the calculation is done for you here. It has a service charge, net VAT, grand total. So how is he going to pay? So maybe it's in cash. So that's it. You confirm. order 9 has successfully created. If he wants to process a return, oh sorry, I didn't want to buy 2, I wanted 1, you can just adjust it here, and then we may give a reason for him, or you can print the receipt. You can print it if you want, and then back to the dashboard, and then you can see your past orders. You sold it by cash just right now, and then this is how much it costed. You sold it to John Doe. This is the day, this is the date. Everything is recorded, and you can manage items. If you have more items to include, you will see what you have already, and then you go back to the admin page to enter all this data, and then you purchase orders. You have to make a new order if you want. If you have to create a new order from Medical Supplies Incorporated, start the purchase, and then what are you going to purchase? Maybe amlodipine. How many? 10. Unit price, you know it. I don't know, maybe 200, I don't know. And then add item. That's it. 10 items are here. If you want to remove it, it's a mistake, you can do that. But you can submit the order to the supplier. The supplier will get it. But you will have to let him know. Then this is your record, and that's it. So it's ordered. Then when the time comes to receive it, you will see 10 is ordered, quantity already received is 0. You will write about 5 maybe, and the calendar dates are here. 2028 maybe, December. That's it. That's it. That's the expiry dates, and confirm the receipt. That's what you do, and then you go back to your dashboard. You manage your suppliers. These are your suppliers. If you need another one, you can fill it in. Otherwise, this is fine. And then view reports. What have you sold this far? This is your data. And then sales by item. This is what you have sold for now. Back to the hub. And then this is your profit margin if you want to know it. That's it. So all these kinds of information is available ready for you to manage your shop. This is it. If you need some assistance, please email meretbezu9@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a good day.